In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add social links on your Roblox profile, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. When you go onto your profile, there is an option to actually add an About section, and this is kind of what others will see on your Roblox account. But if you go to your settings and you scroll all the way down, there is an option to put on your social networks. Now, this will be visible to people if you make it. So, for example, if I wanted to write my Twitter, I would go at and actually write my Twitter username. You can do this for Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, and Gilded as well. But once you actually do that, you're going to choose who you want it visible to. If you want it visible to everyone, click that. You can do friends, users I follow, and my followers, friends and users I follow, just friends, or no one. But it all depends on who you want to see. Now, that's all there is to it. Just make sure to click save once you add the social networks that you'd like. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.